Hey, I'm Mindy Kinnis. This is the Daily Rage. Let's take a look at the index futures today as we enter into correction territory. This one is the Dow futures. You can see that we've already surpassed this point of support here. We're going to close right around that same level, but we almost made it down to this next target, 40,647. As for the NASDAQ, we are heading down toward 19,062, followed by 18,857. But check this out. If we surpass that, there's not really anything to catch us until here. So that's another pretty decent drop down if that is where we end up heading. Let's take a look at the Russell, and that, that just looks terrible. You can see we almost hit our target today. What was the low? 1985.5, and I had it pegged at 1982. Not too bad. And that's just based on that one spike down. Whew. Okay, let's just go ahead and cruise down here. That's a really nice bouncing off point. I love when the support works like that. So 1956, let's call it. And the S&P, we already crashed through that target. So let's see what is next here. We already crashed through that one as well. Let's see, that was about the low. So let's go down to this. 5478. Whew. If you've struggled to pass a trader funding evaluation, I have the perfect solution for you. Tomorrow, I'm going to be joined by the co-founder of TradeFunder, and we're going to tell you about an instant funding opportunity. That's right, you do not have to qualify. You don't have to go through an evaluation. It's real money from day one. I'm going to tell you about my experience working with TradeFunder, and I'd love to have you join us. You can register for free. The link is down below. I'd love to see you there. I'm Mindy Kinnis. Thanks so much for watching.